This is how you're going to enable dark mode on iPhone. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to your home screen and then long press on anywhere. And then you can see this edit button right here at the top left corner. Just click on that. And then from here, click on customize. After clicking on customize, you can click on this dark right here, and then it will automatically set your phone to dark mode. As you can see, there are changes on the icons as well. The photo's background turned into black. So let's compare that between light and dark. So you can see the background of these icons turned into black as well. And then you may also just toggle this sun icon right here. So if you tap on that, it will automatically change. But this one is more on the background only. So as you can see, the icons aren't changing. The background is only just getting dimmer. So let's set up to light again, and then let's press this sun button. So you can see the background is getting dimmer. So if you want a dimmer background and also set overall tone of your phone into dark mode, then you can just click on this. These options are more for icons, and then this one is more for the background. And that's it.